Hello everyone, today we are introducing the contours sheet join function. This function performs edge joining on multiple contour vector files generated in tiles, based on the tile vector sheet file. The blue rectangular vector lines represent this tile vector sheet file, which is also referred to as the tile file when using the contours sheet join function. This tile vector sheet file is obtained by setting the buffer parameter during the point cloud tiling process. If the buffer is set to 0, gaps will exist at the adjacent boundaries of the contours generated from the tiled point clouds, and the result after using the contours sheet join tool will be poor. Therefore, setting the buffer parameter is necessary. As shown in the interface, the two vector files displayed in red and green are contour files, generated from two separate tiled point cloud datasets. Closely observing the adjacent boundaries of these two contour files, you can see that the contours along their shared edges do not align perfectly and contain redundant vector lines. This is where the contours sheet join tool can be used to resolve this issue, making the adjacent boundaries of the two contour files align more seamlessly. In the toolbox, double-click to activate the contours sheet join function. Select the contour files that need edge joining. Note, ensure the tile vector file checkbox is unchecked. In the tile file field, select the tile vector sheet file generated by the point cloud tiling tool. Choose the output directory path to save the joined contour file corresponding to each input contour file. Click OK and wait for the results to generate. Load the generated results. Now, when examining the two joined contour files, you can observe that the vector lines along their adjacent boundaries connect much more perfectly, with no overlaps or gaps. That concludes the full introduction to the contours sheet join function. Thank you for watching.